guys, so we've arrived on Isla Island and we have just checked into our hut, so I'm going to give you a tour along with Freya. So yeah, our hut is called Bohol, so yeah, we're just going to head up the steps and we'll show you what it looks like. So I didn't realise that we had actually booked one of the bigger huts. There's apparently 22 huts on the island. I think Freya's just seen a bug. So also pleasantly surprised that we have a fan up here as well, which is nice, as we're kind of off the grid, so everything's powered by solar. So yeah, we've got some shelves here, got 2 beds. It looks like we've got space for a spare person. And then we've got like a balcony area here as well. And then apparently, was it sunset here or?
Yeah, sunset's here and it rises on the other side.
Yeah.
So if you wake up at 5:30, you can see the sunset on the other side.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna wake
up
at 5:30, but we'll see. And then they've got some resident pigs on the island. They have 3 pigs, which they take down to the beach for a swim. They also have some ducks and some ducklings, so we're gonna yeah, go check them out and I'll show you what they look like. And then hopefully if the wind dies down, we're gonna yeah, fly the drone and show you what it looks like from above. But we're just like a 10-minute boat ride from the shore, so it was pretty easy to get to. We had a private transfer to get here as well. There's also quite a few international people that are volunteering here, so they've been helping us a lot and welcoming us to the island. So it's very beautiful, but I'm going to give you a tour. So this is our hut right here, and then there are another 21 other huts, so 22 in total. These are the larger huts, so we're staying in one of the biggest ones, but there's also some smaller ones. So the smaller one down here, they look super cozy. As you can see, they're right on the beach. I've been planting some calamansi, so it's like a small citrus. Seems to me like a bit of a mix between an orange and a lime, but they're really, really nice. They add them in some cocktails that I had the other day. Oh, and over here we've got like a vegetable garden. I think they've got some baby plants in there. And then they have this, it's called the Quack Shack, and it's where they keep their ducks. So there's a few in here, and then there's also some with babies that are out and about, but they're all behind here. And we're just going to go head over to the pigs. We have a shower and toilet block. I think there are a couple on the island. And then on the other side of the island from where our hut is, there's another bunch of huts along here. Another toilet block over there. And then they're currently building the pigs a bigger pen. They're going to build it all out here, I think. So for now they're just in here, but then they get let out to the beach. Betty, Wilma and Pepper, apparently. I think that's their names. Hi! They have a volleyball court over here. Everything in here is really shaded, it's really nice. Here there's the coral reef and there's a shipwreck just where that big boat is over there. There's a shipwreck down there, so we're going to go for a snorkel at 3 PM and yeah, we'll show you what that has to offer. It's really pretty here. More huts. This is the main area where they serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. bar area and eating area. And then down here we have some baby ducks which apparently hatched just a couple of days ago. I'm not going to get too close because I don't want to scare them off, but you see the mama duck and all the babies down here. We then headed into the water to explore the shipwreck and go snorkeling.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me.
This was one of the best snorkeling spots I've ever been to, and we saw so many clownfish. After this, we headed down to the beach with the pigs as it was feeding time.
¿Has visto por ahí atrás, Carol?
¿Por dónde? Sí.
Ja, ich kann kein in die Hunger nehmen. Oh, Peppa. You're going to climb.
You're doing great.
After feeding the pigs, it was time to head over and enjoy the sunset. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because that really helps my channel out. In the next episode we are heading over to the beautiful island of Bohol, where we'll be exploring the beautiful chocolate hills and going to find the really cute tarsiers. Thanks so much for watching this episode, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.